It's time to sing that fat lullaby.
Yo, what's up? It's Asiatic, Lyrical Supremo Records, creator ng SBL. Anong SBL? SBL is Supreme Battle League UK. Ito ang kauna-unahang Filipino rap battle league sa UK. So, alam nyo naman, marami na nagsulputan ng mga liga na battles all over the world, and it's time to do our own in UK, so we decided to create SBL. What's the aim of SBL? Yes, the aim of SBL basically is mapagsama-sama ang mga record labels, mga artists, mga MCs, because you know, UK there's a lot of gangs, a lot of fighting in different crews, and ang hangad namin ay mapagsama-sama sila sa pamamagitan ng battle. So, you know, instead of fighting in the streets and everything, mas magandang maglaban-laban na lang sila sa battle. SBL events, Supreme Battle League events, where can you catch us? At the moment, we have filmed already in Morden. That was the first one. And then we went to Cuba, went to Newcastle, we did the promo there. Third one was on Birmingham, and then the next big one na aabangan nyo is Hounslow. That's the biggest one. We have like about 10 battles in 2 days, so you can catch us there July 16 and 17, I believe, so don't miss that. There's gonna be some good battles, sick MCs, so yeah, just support the movement. Yeah, I just wanna say SBL is there's a Filipino league and English league as well. Even though you're not Filipino, every ethnicity is welcome. What kind of race you are, it doesn't matter. As long as you know how the battle works, walang pikunan, walang asaran. Asaran sa salita, but that's it. No physical, just get lyrical. And
quote Cubo.
Yeah, quote Cubo. Asiatic SBL, mabagsik ang mga laban, itong mga aabangan nyo.
Kasi naman ako ang pinakamagaling sa battle rapping, tarantado obe ang damit ko, yung kalaban ko kagagaling lang ng jogging.
Yon, laban ngayon parang luni laban sa mga bobong belo. Tunaw kayo sana parang kami ang nagbabagang apoy, kayo nagtitigas-tigas ng yelo. 10 segundo ay tali nyo sa puno ng akasya. Sa laki ng mga ilong nyo, sa puwet nyo pwedeng magkasya.
Mga pido, putang ina nyo, kailangan kayong ikulong doon para naman mahusgahan kayo ng husgado. Tang ina, hindi kayo bagay dito, rap battle to. Kasi yung mga katulad nyo, lagi lang nag-hustle to. Kasi wala kayong perang pambili ng damit. Tignan mo nga yun sa kanya, pilit. Galing pa sa tatay niya, namana niya, galing sa lolo at lolo ng ninuno niya.
Yo! Hindi nga ballpen ang gamit ko dito, ginagamit ko lang ang brush ko. Tangina, nakapula, nakaberde, hindi naman to Pasko!
What else? Just some few reminders as well, because hindi pa namin nare-release yung mga videos. Mayroon nang nagpirata ng mga videos namin, so nakikiusap lang kami guys, on the event, on the next event, please, if you want the video or if you want to take pictures, we're allowing that, but just don't release it as for only personal use. Don't release it for everyone to see, because you're not entitled to do that. That's our event, and you need a release form basically to do that. And a lot of guys that we have got SIA license, so they can just grab or confiscate yung mga cellphones nyo or camera nyo. So yeah, isang babala lang, you know, we can do that on our events. So be careful when we start grabbing your phones and confiscating them. So don't even say nothing, you know. Yeah, basically abangan nyo yung mga battles namin, and yeah, just support the movement. So next time is gonna be a big one, so look forward on catching us there. Basically, that's it. Asiatic SBL, Supreme Battle League UK. Peace.
See you in English division.